Hey guys, this is Matt with Comics Gaming. And welcome to another SourceMod tutorial. So, I know I said I was gonna teach you guys how to pass more than one stuff or data to the timer callback, but I've tried it and I've failed. Because I've tried different ways. I've tried sending arrays, like here, send array, and also strings, but both of them failed, so I don't know how that's possible. So yeah, I'm gonna do another tutorial today. I'm gonna cover menus, since someone asked for menus in the comment section. So we're gonna remove all this. Actually, no, we're gonna leave on client put in server. We're gonna leave this for something else. Wait, do we have to do anything? Unplug and start. I'm not sure. I think we don't. Okay, we're gonna get into that later if we need it. I think we don't though. Not sure. Okay, so what we want to do here is basically create a menu when the client joins and have them pick an option like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and yeah, you can do different stuff with that. I don't know, we'll see while we make the tutorial. Okay, so first you want to type new handle, and you can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it menu handle. Handle, you can type. And you wanna make it equal create menu. Okay. So it's gonna require one parameter. Well, two, but we're not gonna actually use the other one. So it's gonna be called the handler. It's like sort of the callback for the timer or the commands, sort of like that. So we want to create menu, and we're gonna name it menu callback. I'll just call it menu callback. You can call it whatever you want, of course. And this does not end here. We're gonna see what we have to do later on. Then you want to set the title of the menu. Set menu title. You have the handle of the menu and then the string. It's gonna be the name of it, of course. So our handle is menu handle. We created the handle up there. We want to type it welcome. That's good enough. So yeah, that's set menu title. Okay, now this is the basic stuff, and now we want to add items to that menu so they can pick whatever they want. So we're gonna say, okay, add menu item. Of course, the handle again. You always need to use the handle, comma, and here you want the info. The info is what's going to be passed to the callback. So when you press that item, SourceMod is gonna say, okay, he picked this, so I'm gonna send this to the callback so it can be processed. This is a string, and we're gonna set it to I don't know, hello. And here we wanna type what the client is gonna see. Say hello. So okay, let's do this again. Add menu item, the handle, the info that's gonna be sent to the callback, and the string that the client is gonna see. Okay, now we wanna add. Oh yeah, you can add as many items as you want here. You can like add 80,000 if you want to. Whoa, shit. Yeah, whatever. Then you want to set how many items you want your menu to show per page. To do so, you want to do set menu that. I don't know how you say it, so yeah, that's the function. The handles parameter and the items per page. You can use also menu no pagination, I don't know how you say this, to have actually no pages. So everything is going to be sent to that menu and you're going to see everything in that menu. But I think that 7 is actually pretty comfortable. I always use 7 for all my menus. So I don't know, in between 5 and 10, that's a good number. And then you want to actually send the menu to the client. So it's the, what the display menu, the handle of the menu, the client, and the time. It says maximum time to leave menu on the screen. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna say, okay, if the client didn't type anything or select anything so far, let's just cancel the menu. It's not gonna disappear, but it's not gonna work if you pick up something. So let's make it, I don't know, 250 seconds. I think this is seconds, I believe. I'm not sure though. And before this, set menu exit exit button. You can set it off stuff here like exit back button, or yeah, the menu. And here you can type yes or no. Do you want our menu to have the exit button, yes or no? So yeah, true. It's true by default. Sometimes this doesn't work for some reason, and some others it does, so I don't know, it's weird. So this is done for the base, and now we want to build the callback. Like I said before, the callback is going to handle what you press. It's not going to do anything else but handle that. So that's public. We take this handler we created. It takes some parameters. They are already predefined, but you can rename the variables. You know, it takes a handle. Then it's gonna be the menu handle. Menu handle. Handler. No, not this. Let's just call it menu handle, like that. It takes menu action. We're gonna call it action, and I'm gonna explain this in a second, so be patient. Client and the position. Okay, so this is gonna be the menu handle that you're gonna pass to this. Like when you create menu, it's gonna say, okay, which is the handle, and you're gonna send the handle to the menu. Very easy. It's not like that, it's hard to explain, but yeah, it's gonna get the menu handle that it's from this sort of. It's gonna get the menu handle, just keep that in mind. This is gonna be the menu. It takes menu action that it's gonna say, okay, what did the client do? Did he press? Did he quit the menu? What? Then you're gonna send the client here, and then the position. The position is gonna be this. In SourceMod it's defined as position, but it's not always a position. Like here it's a string, and we say the info of that string. Some people send numbers, but this is a string, so yeah, you gotta send it as a string, even if you don't want to, and then you can convert it to an integer, if possible. So in the menu callback, what we're gonna do first is say, okay, what did the client do? So we're gonna say if action equals menu action underscore select. This is for when someone selects an item. We want to write an else if action equals menu action underscore end, meaning that the menu ended, it's no longer being showed. we want to close the handle. Close, not clone. And the handle is gonna be menu handle. So basically what we're saying here, okay, if the client selected something from the menu, we're gonna do this. And if he typed, if he selected quit or close, we're gonna do this right here. Okay, we're gonna do inside is actually get what he selected. So we're gonna declare a string, and it's gonna equal item. Let's make it 20 just in case. And I wanna do get menu item. Get menu item. The handle is gonna be the menu. Then the position. So menu handle, comma. The position is gonna be position. In fact, the info buffer. The info is the buffer. This means the string that where we're gonna save this. It's the one that we define up there. I don't remember the name. That's what I'm gonna type in it. Then you want the end style. This means by reference value to store drawing flags. Don't use this because you're gonna get confused. Display buffer and the maximum length of display buffer. We're not gonna use all of those. We're gonna get the item here, which is the buffer, comma, and I wanted to size of the item. So we're saying here, okay, get menu item from this menu at this position. So it's gonna be, for example, if we press this one, it's gonna send hello. Hello is gonna be the position, and it's gonna send it to here. And we want to store this that we're saving in here, in this string that we called item. Okay, now that we have this, we want to say if string equals, we want to say item, item, comma, hello, which is what we wrote up here, hello. We're gonna do print to I don't know if this is gonna work. Let's try it out, because there is something called fcvar server can execute, that it's basically a flag for server commands, and that's gonna allow them to execute on the client. So let's try it out. Let's see if it works. So the client, comma, say hello there everyone. Very simple. That's all what we're gonna do. Of course, you can add more and more stuff in here and say, okay, for example, what happens if we say bye here? Of course, this is stupid. Then else if item string equals, I'm running out of time, item comma bye, and then you want to do stuff here, but this is not going to be the case. So this is everything we're going to do here. This should work. I'm going to try it out in game so you can see it. So BRB. Okay guys, I'm in game and I'm going to show you what happens when you join the server. Okay, the MOTD displays, and when you press escape, you're going to see this. It's the menu that we created. And if we type say hello, this is going to happen. We're going to get, if you go into our console, we're going to see that it says fcvar server can execute prevented running command say. This is normal. It's because the thing I said, fcvar server can execute here. Okay, so to fix this, what you want to do is change this to print to chat all. You might want to get the string, but I'm running out of time, so we're gonna do someone said hi. As well as guys, thanks for watching a lot. Please rate it up, subscribe if you liked it, make sure to rate it up. I don't know. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.